Let's talk about drivers getting reactivated and what's going on there.
This is also new. This is new. There's somebody sent me this week. Initially, I'm thinking, this person definitely got scammed. You know how those go, right? Oh, we're going to reactivate you. I'm like, okay. And then I go to Uber website. It's there. In fact, this person said, Uber support told me to do this. I'm going like, I didn't know anything about this, people. Okay. Nothing, nada. And then I go ask Uber, what's the deal? What's this? This is real, or are people getting scammed, or what's happening? It's called 7x7 experience. So this is not for your regular deactivations. Okay. It's not. What this is for is, like, let's say you're a new driver, a few months in, you get some a-holes in your car, they ding you with 1 stars, and then your rating goes below 460, they deactivate you. Okay. This is for only low rating problems. Okay. But it works. In this case, you pay, I think, $50 to 7x7 experience. It is created initially. This lady was I obviously covered the name. She was in Tampa. Uber support, they deactivated her. They go, why? And then she's new, a couple hundred trips under her belt, but she had some nasty riders, got a few 1 stars, and Uber deactivated her because her rating dropped below 460. And then Uber support said, well, go do these videos and go to these classes, and then we'll put you back on. And she did. She got her certificate right there. It's a certificate of completion. She paid $50, and then there's some other ancillary fees. It came to $65. And Uber said, yeah, this exists. This was created by the IDG, Independent Drivers Guild in New York City. But I go, wait a minute. This lady is not in New York City. She's in Tampa. It goes, yeah, we do this for people who have low ratings. And I'm going like, I didn't know anything about this. So people, there you go. $60 will get you back on. Reactivate account after. That's why it says NYC there, New York City. It's a quality course. Take a quality improvement course to improve your chances of reactivation. Okay, this is not for like safety reasons, or if a rider called you under the influence, or whatever, all these other excuses. Okay, this is basic, just driver quality, right? It's like ratings related, pretty much. And there you go. So to improve your chances of reactivation, complete a quality improvement course. This is from the Uber blog, so this is not bullshit. And take the 7x7 experience, US and Canada. The 7x7 experience offers online courses in various languages, making it convenient no matter where you are, and getting back behind the wheel. There you go. And she sent me, nice lady who did the course or got the certificate, sent me, the 7x7 experience is the website. You go in, log in and take the course. And if you pass, I am pretty sure you will pass. And, maybe $50-$60 later, or whatever, $70 later, you get back online. There you go. So that way you don't have to send me an email.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
That's it.
Yeah, well, okay. Well, I mean, it's pretty good for those who may need it, but I don't know. $65 seems like it's a little high, in my opinion. But hey, if this is something you want to go for and you've been deactivated because of low
Did you know about this? Did you know?
I have not. No.
I was shocked. I asked my contact at Uber. She goes, yeah, that's been around for a while. I'm like, why do I not know? It's like,
Wow. Well, hey, if you didn't know, I didn't know. Well,
then
know. Everybody else
did not
know now.
I did not know, for sure.
So yeah, this is pretty. Now, is this on Lyft too, or is this just for Uber?
This is only for Uber.
Okay.
Yeah, only for Uber. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
If you got a 4.6 or lower and you get deactivated, you may be able to get reactivated. Your chances of reactivation completing a quality improvement course will drastically improve your chances of getting reactivated and back behind the wheels. So yeah, I mean, you could give it a try if that's the case, but
Don't
I
do
think
it for other things, just for ratings. Then don't email me later, Serge, I got deactivated. I did this. I didn't get reactivated. It's not for this. It's not for every reason for deactivation. It's only for ratings, service quality ratings, things like that. Not, your typical, fake fraudulent writer complaining something about you. So it's not because of that. So there you go.
Oh man. So yeah, that's I mean, I'm not going to complain against it. I think it's good, especially for new drivers who may not know, some of the rules of the road or anything like that, or dealing with, unfortunately, some bad passengers and falling into a trap. When they say it rains, it pours. So, I'm not going to go against that, but should be watching the Rideshare Guy. Hopefully, you follow a little bit more and how you can kind of avoid things like that or try to. But I think just an overhaul of the system when it comes to a rating system just needs to be happening because the rating system is an absolute joke, and it's been for many years.
Yep. And I think the counter is broken because my rating has not changed from 496 for a year and a half now.
Well, what is it out of the last how many 100 rides? Yeah,
5.
exactly. So there you go. Who knows? Maybe they're just re-clicking it. Who knows?
I have a couple of 1 stars, couple of 2 stars. They're not dropping off, so we'll see.
No,
we'll see.
They never do, and if they do, it's like within a couple of days they pop right back up. It's like, oh, okay, there it is.
It's all good.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.